Hey you, welcome to my channel. My name is Anna, and in today's video, you know what? Let's just do this differently and let me just show you. Let's just go. Come on, come on. Come on, don't be shy. We are headed to the town of Rio Grande. Rio Grande is on the northeast side of Puerto Rico. On our way to our destination, we are passing by the town Rio Grande, and you see this macro mural. It's an art project called Pintalto, and it just makes this town look so gorgeous with all these colors. It's so cute. We are about to enter St.Regis Bahia Beach Resort in Rio Grande, and let me tell you, this place is so secluded. It's its own little world basically, and I just feel like I'm entering Jurassic Park. Minus the dinosaurs, of course.
Hola, buen día. Tengo reservación para el restaurante Sergio. Celine. Felipe, me dijo. Felipe.
In case you didn't know, this property is massive. Did you know this property was a former coconut plantation? Amazing, right? That's why it's so big. And it's located near El Yunque National Forest, which is pretty popular, and a river preserve, which is pretty cool. St. Regis is one of the most luxurious resorts in Puerto Rico. This place is pretty exclusive. Not just anyone can come into the property and just walk around and go eat at the restaurant. No, you have to be a guest of the hotel or a resident because you could live here. So luckily for me, I was a special guest, let's just say. Now you might be curious as to why I'm here today. So let's just say I'm celebrating that I hit a YouTube goal that I had. So we're kind of celebrating, and I'll be here all day today. We are here at St. Regis and we're going to have brunch right now. So I'm really hungry, so let's just go eat.
Potillo con tocineta. Ya le voy a traer el French toast. Ya me lo están
No hay
preparando.
problema, no hay apuro.
Aproveche, señor.
Gracias. Sabe fuerte, aunque yo no bebo, me sabe bien fuerte. Estaba esperando jugo de naranja y se me olvidó y sabe a alcohol y yo, wow.
You're dying to get food. We are done with brunch. Now time to like relax around here. Maybe take some pictures. Our cabana's ready. Here, our little cabana. The wind is insane. I don't know if you can hear me. But I'm gonna change because I need to put my bathing suit on. So going to this little bathroom here. I am beach ready now, so let's go. This day has been very relaxing so far. This place is pretty nice and the service is pretty good. And the sun is on and off. There's some clouds with a little bit of rain on and off. But overall, good experience. Everything is working out pretty good. And yeah, so time to relax some more. In Puerto Rico, every day is vacation day. I'm gonna go touch the water. I'm assuming it's freezing. Let's see. It's cold. It's not super freezing, but it's cold. What you see here is where the sea turtles came and laid their eggs. So the Department of Environment and Natural Resources did these barriers so that people won't be able to step on their eggs. I'm gonna try to get a tan now. I'm gonna lay down here because the sun is beaming. So just lay down for a bit. So confusing to come in and out. As you may recall, I mentioned at the beginning of this video that you can be a resident here at St. Regis. So here you can see some of the little houses they have built here in this community of St. Regis. And they are not little houses, let's just say. I was kidding. They are mansions. I had a really good time and it's so sad to go, but we had to go. So that is it for this video and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye! Maldición. Estos trozos dañando my flow.